All right, so we just got this. It's a hand warmer. Let's see what the heck this thing is. It does come with instructions. It's got some stuff in here. Let's pop this out. Nothing left in the box. All right. The unit itself, here it is. Yeah. It looks like a camera. I mean, hand warmer. I'm taking a picture, but I'm actually warming up my hands. All right, so on this end here, I think we've got a area where we just plug it in and charge it. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, all right? And I have a USB-C, so let's plug her in. Ching, ching. All right, so now look, it's 39% charged, so we just gotta let it charge up. And once it's charged up, then we're gonna hold it like this and see if it warms our hands. It does come with this, which is a USB-C to USB-B, A, whatever. And then you've got this thing here, which you can't put on here. See right here, you got a little thing. So what you gotta do is you gotta smush this together. You gotta get it really tight like that. And then you just push it through there. Probably be easier to do it without the, what do you call it? The charger in there. There we go. So you see how I got it through there? Then you pop this like that. And then you can take this end, make a hole here, like that, slide this through. And now you've got your little wrist, you know, you put it on your wrist here like this and go around and hand, you know, so you can warm your hands. Press this, oh here, this is the on button. So if I press that, it'll heat up. Let me unplug it for a second. Okay, it also works as a power bank. But anyway, let's go ahead and hit this. 104 degrees, right? Oh yeah, it warms up fast. Oh my God. Oh, shit. What was that? Maybe it's just a little prickly thing there. So on this side here, it's really warm. Right here, this is super warm. Yeah. Look, 140 degrees. Wow. And, oh, look, I could have put it here too, but I put it up here. Oh, well, what's the difference? You got two spots that you could put it here or here where I put it. This kind of interferes with your, what you call it. So look here, I just want you guys to see. You see that USB regular port here? That you can charge your phone with. So this is basically a power bank and a superheater. And it's hot, man, let me tell you. It's really hot. I'm gonna press this and turn it off. So it just turned off. When I press it, it goes on. Right, now it's on. I press it again, it goes off. So that's your button. All right, so this is the on button. You have to press and hold, and it comes on. But if you just click it, it changes from different temperature modes. You follows me? So it goes 104, 116, 132. I think 132 you could cook bacon on this thing. So I don't know if I'm gonna be going that high. The 104 was hot enough for me. And then to turn it off, you hold it. Make sure you do that. Now when you put it away, make sure this thing doesn't accidentally click on, because that's the last thing you want doing. So this is interesting. What they did in their packaging is they cut a hole here so that the button on here would not be engaged when it's shipping. Kind of smart, right? But I mean, it looks like they had like one worker cutting holes in these things. Oh, geez, oh Pete. All right, so let's go ahead and we'll just charge it all the way up, because we could use it as a power bank too, you know? And you can see it's at 39. Once it gets to 100, we're cool. And that's it, baby. That's how you use this thing. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on things like this.